Hey, what's going on, guys? Just doing a quick unboxing for you on this dehumidifier I just got in the mail. So let's grab my knife out and cut open the tops. I'll do another video after this, but like I said, I just got it in the mail, so just doing an unboxing so you can see what comes in the box. And then after I have a chance to try it out a little bit, I'll show it to you. So foam came on top. Tip it down for you. It's crazy. It's kind of a small box, but the weight on it is like it's really heavy. It's really surprising. So I'm just going to cut the back of it open here instead of pulling it out. And then I'll spin it around so you can see. Okay. All right, so here we go. So this is going to be your drain hose or drain tube here. And then the actual dehumidifier itself, you can see comes wrapped in plastic. And then wrapped around it is this nice bubble wrap cushion to keep it protected. Slide it out. All right, so here's the front of it. You can see it has a nice heavy duty cord that the manufacturer taped to the side of it. So take that off. And then the cord itself is a 3-prong cord. It comes with a prong cap on it so they don't get damaged during shipping. And then taped to the front, I'll pull that off, is your owner's manual or user manual. And then this right here is going to be the drain tube, or where you put your drain tube. And then you can see it has a nice handle here on the top, so you can easily pick it up and move it around. And then there's a quick look at the bottom. You can see it has casters on it. It rolls pretty smooth. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. It's pretty straightforward. Again, I'll do another video soon to let you know what I actually think about it.